Okay, so thank you for telling me something about yourself, something about English. It's good to know, and it's good to know about your difficulties, because I will be very happy to help you to improve them, and I hope you can learn something useful in this class, and I hope you can use that in the real English conversations with the real people. So let's look at the title of the class. Let's see. It says like how to say yes and no in English, right?
How to say yes and no in English.
Yeah, how to say yes and no. So how do you think what the class is going to be about? What we are going to learn in this class?
I don't understand.
Okay. Okay. So let's open the next page. Okay. Um so we have like yes, right? And no.
Mhm.
It's very simple ways to say
Yes, it's
something in
different
English.
ways to say.
Yeah, today we're talking about how to say that differently because it's very important. Why do
Mhm.
you have to use different words sometimes? How do you think?
Because it's more interesting, it
Yeah.
makes some um, another impressions maybe
Yeah, like you
if
can,
we.
yeah, you're giving a good impression, yeah? Like you're giving an
Mhm.
impression of someone who is very smart, yeah? Or maybe with
Yeah.
good education, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay, so let's read the first part here. Then we will talk about that and do some simple exercises. So could you please read the first part?
Usually in English, we don't actually say the word yes. Sometimes we say yes followed by something else, and sometimes we just say another word or expression.
Yeah, expression. So here we have like sometimes we say yes followed by something else. How do you think? Like what does it mean? Followed by something else. So like you say yes and then you say maybe yes, sure, yeah. Yes, of course.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
So
Yeah.
something else, some other words.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Or sometimes we just say another word or expression. Yeah. What is
Yeah.
expression?
Expression is just like mm,
Is this like a word or like or a sentence?
yes.
Yeah, it's more like a sentence, maybe several words. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Go on, please.
In English, if you only say yes or if you only say no, it sounds a little bit short, a little bit rude, or sounds like you don't really want to talk to the other person.
Yeah. So have you ever heard about that?
Mm,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay. And you say yes. Yeah. All right.
of
So
course.
how do you think? Why? Why does it sound rude? Is that like really rude to say yes or no? For example, okay, let me ask you a question. Um, do you want to drink a coffee?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Okay, this is a good answer. But if you
Yeah,
say like no, is that
no.
good?
Sometimes it's good enough, but sometimes it looks like a
Yeah, well,
short answer.
yeah. Well, it depends on the way you say that. Yeah, it
Yeah.
depends on your intonation. If you say like no, yeah, maybe that's okay. But if you say like no, yeah, that's like different. Yeah. Okay, so also I want to tell you something about formal and informal expressions. Let me just write it here. Just a second. Formal, formal, yeah. informal and informal here. So, do you know the difference between formal and informal language?
Yes.
Yeah, how do you think? What is this? Formal. When do we use formal English? When do we use formal language?
Well, we can use if we talking with on the job, for example,
Yeah.
with your boss
Okay.
or colleagues. But informal, it's if you're talking with your friends and close people.
Yeah, right. And basically the phrases and the sentences and all the expressions you say, they are different. Yeah. Because usually you don't use formal expressions with your friends. Yeah. But you don't use informal expressions with your colleagues or maybe customers or boss. Yeah. Okay. Let's read some examples here. So we have formal yes. Formal yes. So could you please read the first one? You can say yes and then,
Yes, of course.
yeah, you can say yes,
Yes,
of course, or maybe of course. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, by all means.
Yeah, by all means. You can say like yes, yes by all means, or by all means. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know this. What it means.
By all means, this is just like another way of saying yes. We will talk
Mm.
later about that in the examples. I will ask you the questions and you will learn more about that. Don't worry. Okay? How about this
Mhm.
one?
Go right ahead.
Yeah, go right ahead. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Certainly.
Certainly. Yeah, certainly.
Certainly.
Okay. So
I
which
don't
words
know
you don't know?
this last words.
Yeah, certainly. By all means. Yeah.
Yes, too.
How about this one? Go right ahead. Do you know it? Have you heard
No,
it?
no. I don't
Okay.
know.
Okay. So I just want to tell you that all these words and all these expressions, they they mean yes. If you say like certainly, yes. Let's look at the example. We have questions like, you see, could I sit here? Yeah. And you say, okay, go right ahead. It means yes, you can. Or is this
Could
sit free? Huh?
um, what do you mean?
Okay, look. Here we have ask and answer. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Could I sit here?
Yeah, could I sit here? And then you can say by all means. Yeah. It means
Mhm.
yes. So usually people
Mhm.
say that if you want to be polite, if you want to be friendly, yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, let's look at the next one. We have yes, informal. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. No
Hmm.
problem. And something.
You bet.
You bet.
Yeah. Have you heard about that?
No.
Usually you can use you bet when you talk with your friends.
Mhm.
For example, do you want to go to party next Saturday? You bet. It means like, yeah, sure.
Mhm.
Okay. Have you heard about this one? No problem.
Yes.
Okay, so it's like another way of saying yes.
Mhm.
All right, so let's try to practice something. I'm going to ask you the questions, and you have to say yes. But don't say yes, say something like this, yeah?
Mhm.
All
Mhm.
right, so let's try. Here we have the questions. Let's look at the right side. For example, I'm going to ask you this question. Could I borrow your pen?
Of course.
Of course. Okay, so you want to be polite, yeah? So you say of course.
Yes.
So this is formal, yeah? If you say something informal, what would you say? Could I
No problem.
like I'm your friend. Yeah, yeah, no problem. Yeah. Like, yeah, sure. Yeah. All right. How about this one? Excuse me, is this seat free?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Well, yeah, like, but absolutely, that would be like very exciting. It's like too exciting, yes. Yeah. Usually you're not
Okay.
so excited with the people, yeah.
Certainly.
Yeah, certainly. You can say that.
Certainly.
Or maybe like, of
Mhm.
course, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, can you ask me something?
Do you like the weather today?
Um, yeah, certainly. Okay,
Uh,
one more.
do you go to the gym every day?
Yeah, sure. So here I
Mhm.
use like informal expression. So let's say we
Mhm.
are friends, yeah? And I don't want to be too formal with you, so I just say, yeah, sure. Okay, is this clear about yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, very good. Let's take a look at the next one. So we have no, yeah? We have formal no and informal, yeah? So you know the difference. Let's read about formal no.
Unfortunately,
Yeah?
I'm afraid not. No, I'm sorry, not really, actually.
Actually, yeah. So do you know all these words?
No,
Okay, which words you don't know?
I'm afraid not, and actually.
Okay. So I'm afraid not, and actually, it's not like no words, but they used when you want to say no and you want to be polite. For example, can I borrow your pen? If you say no, it's like rude, yeah?
Mhm.
And you can say, I'm afraid not, I need to use this pen, yeah? So no, you
Mhm.
can't, yeah? But like, you're trying to say that in a very polite way,
Mhm.
yeah? The word actually is very tricky sometimes. It depends how you say that. Many people say the word actually, they say like, actually, blah, blah, blah. So they say that very rude. So you have to be very careful with that. Yeah. Okay, so this is formal, and let's read informal, please.
No way, no,
Nah. Yeah?
no.
Nah. Okay. Uh, so we have no way. No way is like no, no, no. No way, no. Yeah. It's like very strong no. Nope is like, uh, do you want to go to the movies tonight? Nope. Yeah. And nah, it's more like a sound. It's not like the word. It's like the sound people make. For example, like, do you want to play basketball this afternoon? Nah. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask you some questions, and you will say no. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, Natalie. So, do you want to go out to eat something?
No, I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. If you say no, I'm sorry, then you need to say something more, like I'm sorry, I have a meeting, or I'm sorry, I have to go to the gym.
No, I'm sorry, I'm busy tonight.
I'm busy tonight. If you say busy, it's also very like interesting. Yeah, because the word busy. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. But like the point is, like if you say no, I'm sorry, you need to explain why. Yeah. If you say no, I'm
Mhm.
sorry, it's very rude. Yeah. Okay. How about this one? Excuse me, lady, is this seat free?
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately,
unfortunately, no.
yes. If like you say, unfortunately, yes. Like in this context, you need to say
Mhm.
yes because unfortunately, because you have no here, you say un, it means no. If you say
Mm.
unfortunately no, like it
Mhm.
doesn't go together. If you say unfortunately yes, it's okay. But it's very
Mhm.
strange. People don't say like that. Yeah, people don't say that. Okay, you can say maybe, I'm afraid not. I am waiting for my friend. Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. This seat is for my friend. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is formal. Try to say something informal, okay? For example, I'm your friend. Oh, hey Natalie, are you coming to the party on Saturday?
No.
Nope, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Natalie, do you like high buildings?
Yes, I like high buildings.
Okay, but try to say no. Why try to say no?
No way.
No way. Okay, okay. All right, good. Something like this. Can you ask me something?
Do you like the winter?
Oh, nah, nope.
Do you like to eat salad?
Not really. Actually, I like to eat meat and maybe fruits. Yeah. Okay,
Mhm.
something like this. So let's try to open the. Oh, wait. So before we open the next page, so can you tell me, please? So what is the difference between formal yes, formal no, and informal yes, informal no? Okay. What is the difference?
Uh,
When? Yeah. Okay.
Formal words we can use with colleagues and
And maybe people we don't know, like
people we
strangers. Yeah.
don't know. And
But
informal words we can use with friends
yeah.
and people we know very good.
Yeah. Maybe friends or family. Right.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So please look at the questions here. Um. Okay. Okay. On the next page. So this page, it's about quiz. Yeah. So we have only 6 questions here. So please read the questions and try to think. Is this like a formal answer or informal answer? Okay, I will try to help you. Let's read the first one.
Do you know where the washroom is? Uh, no, I don't.
Yeah, you can say no, I don't, but that's like a little bit informal.
I'm afraid not.
Yeah, I'm afraid not.